Okay, I'm at this church that I've driven past, and I noticed that there were some pretty interesting units here, including an old Tech2000, a vintage GE Weathertron thing, and these extremely rare Lennoxes that I had never seen before. Okay, what the frick is this thing? Look at this. It's the very rare coil guard on one of these old Lennoxes. It's an Elite. It's a Lennox Elite with this super rare coil guard. And we had just we in the community has just discovered this style of coil guard a while back, and they're ridiculously rare. So there's quite a handful of units here. Then there's some more down there and more over there. I'm starting here first though. So first we got this 2002 HS29 5-ton with, not been running, with this weird coil guard. That's very rare. Let me take a picture of it. So yeah, there's several of these here. So it's just a Lennox Elite, but somebody must have, I wonder if it was like a custom choice that not very many people picked, like to have this shroud instead of the normal cage. But yeah, very rare. So cool to be documenting this. And then we've got a Merit here that's running. (2018) 5-ton. And then I wonder if these are heat pumps. They're on legs. Nope, straight cools. Got a T-class here. Look at all these suction lines going everywhere. It has been running. 2021 5-ton. I bet it replaced one of those, or maybe one of those. Another Merit. Not been running. 2019 5-ton. And then right here, another one. 2019 5-ton. So that's pretty cool. This would be a good place to get startups, but yeah. 2000s Lennox Elite with a rare coil guard. Okay, here is an older Elite. I'm just gonna go through them like this. 2001 5-ton. So two different models of Elite here. That kind, just with a rare coil guard, and then this kind. 2016 5-ton. None of these have been running. 2001 5-ton. And then step over even more suction lines. Oh frick, that scared me. This started up right as I touched that suction line. Nice. Just got to start with that one. 2001 5-ton. The fan just sped up on that one for some reason. Getting cold. This suction line needs some sort of support. It's kind of just hanging. And all the insulation is gone. Nice. Scared me because it started up right as I touched it. 2016 5-ton. Yeah, it gets bigger here for some reason, and then it goes all the way over there. Big row of disconnect boxes for all of these. And then this one. I'll just show the data there. Looks to be another 2001 5-ton. Oh, and then a few more disconnects along this wall. Alright, I don't want to step on any of these suction lines, so I'm going to go over here. But yep, nice bunch of Lennoxes, various models. I'm going to stand over here and get a picture of all of these. There we go. You can see them all there. Alright. Oh. 2 startups so far. This one just started up. now I'm gonna go down there to that bunch of units and then over there. I just started in the middle. No units down there. All right. Nice rare coil guard on that Lennox. And nice little bunch here with a couple of startups. All right. All right. These I'm a little more nervous to film because there's windows right by them. I'm just gonna go through them pretty quickly. It's just a few more of that kind of Lennox Elite. Looks to be 3 of them. Got one right here. There's a light on in there. I'm not even gonna go all the way up to it. Here's the data. There's just 3 of them. Another one here, straight coil unit. 2001 2-ton. And then trees. And there's somebody right in that door, but there's one last one. Not gonna go up to it. Okay, up here is the last few units. Oh, there's actually another big bunch of them just like those. Okay, here's where we've got the Tech2000 and the old GE and a Bryant. Okay. Oh, this would have had the old top. I'm gonna take a picture of that. All right, so we've got a Bryant here. It's a straight cool. Up and running. 1999 5-ton. And then here's an old Tech2000. Seems we can never find a top in good condition. Look, it's almost completely gone. This one, is this a heat pump? Nope, this is straight cool. 1991 4-ton. I'm always a little hopeful that it could be from 1988. There used to be another unit there. It's all pinched off though. So nice Carrier Tech2000 there. It's got the older logo. I'm gonna take a picture. And then an old GE. Oh, focus. That's pretty cool. Never seen one of these before. These are all straight cools, unfortunately, all the units here. Could almost poke my finger in there and... Okay, so I'm not exactly sure how to decode these. Looks to be a 2.5 ton. I'll have to, I'll most likely put this in the group chat and get a year on it and put the text on the screen. But, yep. There's a data sheet for that. So there's some pretty cool units here. Alright. Oh, almost forgot about those down there. So yep, 3 units here. Bryant, Carrier Tech2000, and old GE. Oh, there's a P-TAC here. Not sure what this is. Carrier, maybe. Here's the compressor. It's a rotary. Alright, another small bunch of them right here. There's more of these Elites with the rear coil guards. Take a picture of this. Yeah. Look at these. This one has fallen off so you can see the coil. But yeah. Just more Lennox Elites with the really rare coil guards. Comes the reciprocating. 2002 2-ton. 2002 5-ton. 2002 5-ton. Yeah. So it's really rare to find that coil guard on this Lennox model. Here's a new Merit, probably replaced one of these. 2019 5-ton. (2002) 5-ton. Compressor does this one have? It's so hard to see with. This one's got a scroll. 2002 510. All right. So that's pretty cool. Just make sure there's no more over here. Nope, that's it. All right, so there is a church with a bunch of units, some pretty cool finds here. Some pretty rare units. There's those again. All right, that'll be it. Out.